January 11th. What a dream. Spurs a flawless team. What a lossless stream. Their system clean. Danny Green. Plus 19 over 3. Whole damn team lives in positivity. Positively. Going off there ripping these LimeWire. They're sharing with simplicity. Wizards. Living life in blizzards. Their hearts made of stone and the stars craft shivers. A Warcraft for them. While Diablo, it's Overwatch him. Curry bro. The game and rhythm. Draymond Green, they are breaking circuits with them. Clay from deep, it's a circus for swishing. Harrison Barnes finally back for the mission. Spurs, Wizards, Warriors. Spurs, Wizards, Warriors.